Hey folks, on to chapter 5.1. Let's see. Start with problem number 4. They want us to determine if the polynomial is monomial, binomial, trinomial, or polynomial, then indicate the degree. Okay. A, 11y squared. B, negative 73. C, 6x squared minus 3xy plus 4x minus 2y plus y squared. Okay, so let's start with the first one. Well, let's look at this one. If you look at C, going out of order, is that annoying? I'm bad. Let's see. So we have, in part C, how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's a bunch of pieces. So since there's 5 pieces, I guess you call it like something like pentanomial or five-nomial, but we'll just call it many. Polynomial. Okay, so here there's only one piece going on. Monomial. And this is just one piece also. Monomial. Am I spelling that right? Monomial. Looks weird, but I did spell it right. Okay. D. 4y squared plus 17z squared. One piece, two piece. So if there's two pieces, 2 bi, so a binomial. I'll get to the degree, don't worry. E. 5c cubed plus 11c squared minus c minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, so polynomial. Right, so we have monomials, we have binomials. If there's 3 pieces, trinomials. 4 or more, we just call it polynomial. Okay, so now to get the degree of the polynomial, we have to look at the highest power, the sum of the highest powers. It's kind of weird. So we have an x squared, so the power is 2. You have an xy, so that's really x to the 1 and y to the 1. So if I add it up, that's power of 2 when you add them. So power of 2, power of 2, power of 1, power of 1, power of 2. What's the highest power? 2. So polynomial of degree 2. Okay, let's do part A. Y squared, so highest power or sum of powers. So you can actually add the things together. So there's only y stuff, so the highest power is 2, so degree 2. So monomial, degree 2. Here there is no x or y stuff. So if there is no x or y stuff, as you'll see in the future, that technically means it's to the 0 power, but if there's no x or y stuff, the degree is just 0. Okay. Here we have power 2, so put a 2 there. Power 3, power 2, power 1, power none, so the degree is 3. So let me just make one up really quickly. Here's f, I'm just making it up. Let's say it's x squared, or x squared y cubed, then that's a monomial of degree 5. Aha! Okay, it all makes sense. Let's see. Chapter 5 is pretty straightforward. The videos that I did not make, the Khan Academy and the Organic Tutor, those are fantastic. This chapter 5 is pretty straightforward. Okay, let's try out number 9. Number 10, sure. Number 10. So number 10, A, 4y cubed plus 6y cubed. You have y cubed stuff and y cubed stuff, so that means you can combine them. You got 4 of them, you got 6 of them, that means you got 10 of them. It's just combining like terms. Negative y minus 5y, y stuff, minus 1 of them, minus 5 of them, you got minus 6 of them. Okay. Let's just do 12 since we're here. Negative 3m plus 9m. Combine like terms. Negative 3m's, 9m's, that's 6 of them. Part B, we have 15 of these weird yz squared thingies minus negative 8 of these weird yz squared things. Yz squared, so they're the same thing. So you have 15 yz squared, negative negative plus 8yz squared, 15 of them, 8 of them, so that's going to give us 23 of them, yz squared. 14 4 y cubed plus 6y cubed minus y minus 5y. Okay, so just look at the sort of the terms. I got y cubed stuff, I got y cubed stuff, I got y stuff, I got y stuff. Okay, so I can combine, if they're the same, I can combine them. I got 4 of these y cubes, 6 of these y cubes, that's 10 of these y cubes. Can you see my 3's okay? Y stuff, minus 1 of them, minus 5 of them, that's minus 6 of them. So sometimes you just hear combine like terms. That's all we're doing, so circle that. Oh, hubba hubba. Do they get more interesting? Not really. Okay, let us try 34. So I'm hoping these are pretty straightforward, folks. 4y squared plus 10y plus 3 plus 8y squared minus 6y plus 5. A couple ways you could do this. Maybe just get rid of the parentheses. 4y squared plus 10y plus 3 plus 8y squared minus 6y plus 5. Combine like terms. I see 4y squareds and 8y squareds. That's 12 of them. I see some y stuff, 10 of them minus 6 of them. That's 4 of them. Number stuff. Constants. They call them constants. Just numbers with no variable next to them. I see a 3. I see a 5. 8. Y squared stuff, y stuff, number stuff, constants. Cool. It's as good as it gets. So sometimes I'll put a minus sign here to make it more interesting, like in number 42. 42. 3b squared minus 4b plus 1. Minus sign. Whoa, tricky. Not really. 5b squared minus b minus 2. So you might just want to rewrite things. 3b squared minus 4b plus 1. And now just distribute that minus to each of them. Minus 5b squared. Minus minus is a plus. Minus minus is a plus. That was the tricky part. You cool with that right there? You cool? Okay. Keep going. 3b squared minus 5b squared. 3 of them minus 5 of them. That's minus 2 of them. Okay. Minus 4b plus 1b. Minus 4 of them. 1 of them. That's minus 3 of them. And number stuff. Constants. I see a 1. I see a 2. That's a 3. Done. And do that. Add, subtract. Okay. And then they do some function-y stuff. No big deal. Let's jump to 64. Did I say to go that far in the homework? Let me just double check these things. I believe I did. Yes, of course I did. 64. They give us a function, f of x is equal to 5x squared minus x minus 7. And they want us to plug in negative 4. Okay, f of negative 4, so that means wherever I see an x, I'm going to replace it with negative 4. 5, negative 4 squared minus negative 4 minus 7. Okay, negative 4 squared is 16. Minus minus is a plus. Minus 7, that 4 got ugly. 5 times 16 is 80. Plus a 4 minus a 7. 84 minus 7. Oh my god, how sad. I'm going to use my calculator because I'm tired. 84 minus 7 is 77. Whew. Okay. Yeah, so I think that was pretty straightforward. Okay, you should be able to handle that. If not, check out those videos from Khan Academy and Organic Tutor.